मेरी फैमिली में 5 सदस्य हैं। मम्मी पापा और मेरी बड़ी बहन और एक छोटी बहन है। और बड़ी बहन की शादी हो चुकी है, छोटी बहन की शादी मेरे को करनी है। ये आए थे पर्चे बांटने, उसमें लिखा था कि आप कारपेंटर का कोर्स करके अपना बिजनेस खोल सकते हैं।
Furniture and Fitting Skill Council is being thought about it with the vision to make India such a strong place where productivity and competitiveness comes in, that we are able to export to the other countries rather than importing as it is today.
Furniture and Fitting Skill Council today has 100 plus VTPs, which is Vocational Training Partner affiliated to us. Through them we impart training. It is across India. And after the training is over, we give them certificates. Through certificates, we introduce them to some kind of a service provider which are connected with industry very strongly, and they give them jobs.
Those who get trained in under PMKVY, this portion of the training would be treated as a part of the basic training under the apprenticeship which has to take place under industry.
Having the certification process which will be accredited, which will actually be acceptable to the industry as something which is genuinely correct and people are having the right skills to take it forward. I think that's going to be a very important element that the Skill Council is bringing in the whole operating system.
6 months ago, Ministry requested all SSCs to be serious about creating curriculums. I am proud to say that mine was the first one who actually took initiative, and we given our curriculum which was in Assistant Carpenter Wooden Furniture and Carpenter Wooden Furniture. These are recently been launched and it was appreciated. Every stage, you go with the language changes. If we don't give them the curriculum in their own lingo, it is useless for them, Gujarati, Marathi, Bengali, Gurumukhi, Tamil and Kannada. All this, we have 8 languages. We are going to put it in mobile app, and so this is one of the initiatives we took, out of the box idea, and we are happy that these are going to be very useful for those students in different states.
प्रधानमंत्री विकास कौशल योजना के अंतर्गत एक ट्रेनिंग सेंटर है हमारे यहाँ रामपुर मनियारम में, उससे मैंने ट्रेनिंग ली। 30 दिन का कोर्स होता है वैसे तो, लेकिन मैंने एक्स्ट्रा ट्रेनिंग की 40-45 दिन मैंने किया है, क्योंकि मुझे अपना बिजनेस शुरू करना था, अपनी वर्कशॉप शुरू करनी थी, तो इसलिए अनुभव के लिए मैंने जो है और अधिक समय लिया।
जी मैंने वहाँ पे आरी चलानी, हैमर चलाना, रंदा चलाना और पटरी बनानी, टेबल बनानी सीख लीजिए।
We want them to also go to the next level. Either they become self-employed or they go abroad or they work for large corporates. We can start from these particular, countries, areas where Gulf, entire Gulf and Middle East and all. But there are other various countries nearby which are actually again having a lot of scope for utilizing our youngsters, taking advantage of their expertise, taking advantage of their skilling.
We are also in association with our parent company, have brought German experts on the board who will be training them, the trainees, so that the people are not only in a position to get better employment in India, they also get enough opportunities to work outside the country.
So there has been a very big shift from conventional methods to modern methods. Now conventional methods restricts the skill set of any person. The modern methods would help anybody to become a carpenter or do carpentry or produce furniture. Whereas in the conventional methods, only a carpenter with those special skill set translated from generation to generation has been passed on.
Furniture has undergone a transformation phase. If we create a skill development center for which we have partnered Furniture Fitting Institute Council, and we are building a large iconic center at NCR, which is over 10,000 square feet. And there we are trying to impart the latest techniques of furniture making, which can, on the one hand, will improve the skill set of the workmen, which help them to earn more and also increase their employability. On the other hand, it benefits the end user in terms of better product, improved quality and lower cost.
We are also planning to roll out a scheme in which 25% of the cost borne by the industry for paying minimum wages to the apprenticeship who is getting trained would be reimbursed by the government.
So we have gone ahead and brought in on our forums the president and the office bearers of the various trade associations and of small-scale manufacturers across India, Bombay, Kerala, West Bengal, which will help us not just to focus on the large industry, but every unit that is making furniture in India can contribute towards developing the skills, and more important is can contribute towards providing employability to people who learn the skills.
A graduate, science graduate, can become an entrepreneur in woodworking because of modern methods. Now modern methods are so versatile, are so developed that even women workforce can come in. Earlier it was not possible in carpentry.
The idea is to connect to the last man who actually needs this training at the entry level, which is of course school dropouts, villagers, and who have been traditionally in this field but do not have that expertise or knowledge to carry this further.
अपनी वर्कशॉप में मैंने जो है 3 लोगों को और को रोजगार दिया हुआ है। 3 लोग मेरे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, काम करते हैं, उनकी सैलरी है मंथली। पहले तो जो भी कमाते थे वो सब जो है परिवार में इकट्ठा रहता था, लेकिन तब से मैंने ट्रेनिंग लेकर वर्कशॉप शुरू की। अभी ज़्यादा नहीं, 3 महीने मुझे वर्कशॉप शुरू किए हुए, तो 10-15 हज़ार रुपये मैं कमा लेता हूँ।
कोर्स करने के बाद मैं अपना बिजनेस खोलूँगा, जिसके बाद मैं अपनी बहन की शादी बड़ी धूमधाम से करना चाहता हूँ और अपने परिवार की मदद करूँगा।
सर्टिफिकेट जो है रोजगार पाने में, कहीं कंपनी में जॉब वगैरह के लिए जो है उसमें मददगार होगा, और एक पहचान मिलती है कि सर्टिफाइड है, उससे फ़र्क पड़ता है।